We are live. Let me make sure it's set up correctly. There we go. It's not too bad. Oh my goodness. Hey. Hey. Hey, little man. Look what I got for you. What I got for you. What is that? Not really. He's kind of holding it in his mouth. Let's see. What do you think? What do you think? What if I give you some? You like that? Here we go. Zoe. 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 The look on her face. She is not super impressed by this. What do you think? What do you think, huh? Seems to be more interested in spitting it back out than swallowing it. Okay, ready? Come on, Zoe. I gotta move the camera so you can actually see this here. Come on. Come on. Ah. So this is what she thinks of rice cereal mixed with formula so far. Not super impressed here. Oh. Okay, let's go back to Henderson. Let's see. Let's see here. Got a good spoonful here. And they seem to like to blow in it. And on to drool. Oh. And you can see very, very messy. Very, very messy here. Keep it in there. So he's eating some of it, I guess. You can see how big their bowls are of this stuff. It's pretty big. Pretty good size. At least he seems like he's getting some of this down. Let's go back to Zoe here. As you can see, it's pretty soupy, not super thick. Okay, Zoe. Alrighty. She looks like she's about to start crying. I wonder if it tastes different? Or... Oh. Yeah, that's full. Just completely spitting it out. I did give them a bottle first, because they were both really hungry. But she's got, a full ounce left in hers. So, okay, we'll go back to Henderson now, who seems to be getting this a little bit better. Here we go. Open up. Nummy, nummy, nummy. Nummy, nummy, nummy. What's the matter? Uh-oh. Well, let's see how long that stays in his mouth. Yeah, I don't know if you can see this here, but the this complete mouth full of back in action. Oh, are you ready for another bite? You ready for another bite? Okay, let's get a good one here. Whoa. We're not gonna do a full bite. And here we go. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, this is just going everywhere. Whoops, that was my fault. I got it on your nose there. I think she actually ate some of that. Oh. And I think a lot of it just came out. See if Henderson would like a little bit more. Here we go, buddy. You ready? Oh. Oh no. Oh. Oh, buddy. Apparently, this is fun for him to, I guess I should move the spoon out of the way so you can see. It's fun for him to stick out his tongue. Oh. Oh. This is just getting to be a mess. This is just a big slobbery mess. Come on, buddy. Down the hatch. Down the hatch. Down the hatch. Ooh. What's the matter? She, as you can tell, not too impressed with this new stuff. Not too impressed. Yeah. Oh. I almost thought I got a smile there. Oh no. Okay, let's go back here. Let's go back here. As you can see, she's actually got a little bit of it sitting inside her mouth. I'm sure she's about to spit out. Oh! Hey, she might have actually eaten that bite. Oh wait. Before I speak too soon. So a very unhappy baby here. And this is the end result of our trial with a wiped up face because I wiped it up. But this is what she thinks of her new form of eating. Not very happy about it at all. Either that or she's just incredibly cranky. But we'll do a little experiment. Watch this. Say she's unhappy right now. Not screaming, not even fussing. Babe, are you going to smile? Then we introduce the spoon. And look at that face. Oh no, she is just not too pleased. Not too pleased. I don't know if it's the spoon she doesn't like. Is it the food? I don't think it's the food because the food is pretty much formula. Pure formula. Okay, we'll be done. And now, Henderson over here. Well, he's kind of okay maybe with it. Still not quite sure what to do with it. Gets it in his mouth and will still spit it all out. But at least I think he actually ate some. Even with all the spitting out and the sticking his tongue out. I don't know what that's all about. And yes, this is Miss Zoe, who apparently stops crying when I put the camera on her. Camera away. On Henderson eating. See, he's getting some down. The spoon is slowly but surely emptying. And he actually maybe is liking it. Lots of drool here. Lots and lots of formula drool. He's eating it, at least. By someone. Yes, those are the faces she's making. Yeah. Somewhat, maybe. Yes, this is what the last 5 minutes have sounded like over here. This. Unhappy baby. Let's see. Tell the video camera with your eyes what you think. Unhappiness. And I'm a mess. You tell them I'm a mess. And that's it. So I guess I'm going to clean them up now and we're going for a nap.